If you're in Nigeria and want to work from home, earn in dollars, or build multiple online income streams, this video offers proven strategies to save you months of trial and error. Freelancing remains the top work-from-home opportunity. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients globally. Leverage skills like writing, design, or virtual assistance. Beginners can earn $5,000 per task, while experienced freelancers consistently make $500 to $3,000 monthly. Deliver exceptional value for recurring income. Earn commissions without creating products through affiliate marketing on platforms like Jumia or Amazon Associates. Promote high-ticket items to your audience on WhatsApp or TikTok for daily earnings of $5,000 to $20,000. Additionally, secure remote jobs with global companies in customer support or tech roles, earning in USD or GBP. Start with one skill, build your online presence, and consistently upskill. Your online income journey begins today.